I moved my washing machine to a new location in my house. I did a test run to make sure my drain and water lines weren't leaking, and it looked like I had very low water pressure. So I removed the hose on the hot water inlet side and immediately found the problem. The inlet screen was totally clogged with rust and crud. So all I had to do was take this over to the sink and wash it out. So I have well water, and last November I had to change a well pump, and this is probably where the crud came from. Because this is the hot water side, it could also be the hot water tank. I also had a hot water heater go out 2 years ago. When that was going out, I had sediment in my shower that was giving me warning signs that it was going out. I never thought to check the filters on the washing machine. This was the hot water side. When I did the cold water, it barely had anything wrong with it. Now the first filter screen is made of plastic and is removable, but there's also a metal screen inside the fitting that you can't remove. And you can see there's a lot of crud in there as well. So I took an air hose and used compressed air to clean out the filter. Now it looks pretty clean. Now that that's clean, I'll reinstall the plastic filter. And to do that, all I have to do is just push it back into place. Now I'll remove the cold water side and check that one out. To remove the little filter, just take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it out. If there's a lot of crud and hasn't been removed in a while, it might be a little hard to take out.
Cold.
It's got a little bit of crud on it, but nowhere near the amount as the other side.
Okay.
So I washed that one out as well, but it was a little harder to remove the crud. So I used the compressed air to get the rest of it out of the screen. So I removed the hot water one again so I can blow that one out as well. Now I'll put that one back into place and then hook the hoses up. I didn't get any video of it. Before I cleaned them, the water was barely trickling out, and now you can see there's pretty good water flow. This is definitely something you can do yourself.